Okay, welcome back to fun and exciting exploits with ACL. Today we're going to be covering Chapter 4, or at least the first bit of it. And Chapter 4 is a bit more practical than the last chapters. I mean, obviously we need to know how to import files into ACL, but now we're going to actually use those files and get answers about certain questions we might have. So all of these are fairly practical applications to ACL and what it's actually used for. So the first one is to determine the total liability of the credit limit. So a bit of background here. If we go to credit cards metaphor in our ACL tutorial metaphor project, we see that each of these customers has a credit limit. Now, what we want to figure out is if all of these customers maxed out their credit card limit, what would the total amount be? And, would we have enough money in our reserve to finance maxed out credit cards everywhere? So that would be something good to know for your business, so you would be properly prepared for that. Now you can do that in two ways. One, this will stop freaking out. You can highlight credit limit here, go to Analyze, Total Fields, and then we get the total credit limit here. Or you can click out of that, go to Analyze, Total Fields, and then I can select credit limit. Okay, alright, and we get it the same way that way as well. Alright, so that's good. So now we know how much money we need. Next exercise is extracting expiring credit cards. So in this one, they want us to get a list of all of the credit cards that are older than 2004, because apparently all the ones in 2004 have expired. So we need to get those credit cards and the ones before that, and what we're going to do is extract those and send them off to somebody else and say, hey, these are expired, can you remove them from the database and give whoever the customer is a new credit card. Alright, so go ahead and select expiration date. Oh no, hang on. No, we don't want to do that. Go to this little function guy here, and we will select expiration date here. So double click this and say we want all the expiration dates that are less than or equal to 2004, and go to January 1st. Okay, verify that. Alright, and okay, so there we go. We got, I believe it should be 9. Let's count those and make sure. Analyze, count records. Okay, 8. Alright, well, there's 8. Let me double check, make sure that's right. Okay, yeah, so we should have 8 of those. And what we're going to do is export these to a text file. And the way you do that is you go to Data, Export to Other Application, and we'll go ahead and select all of these. So export fields, add all, okay. And if you click 2 here, it'll give you this save file dialog box, and we can save those wherever we want. I'm going to go to desktop because that's where I like saving things, and we'll go expired credit cards, save, and okay, and that tells you 8 records were sent there on this date, and this command was run. So let's make sure that that is where it needs to be. We have expired credit cards. See how, yep, okay. So that gave us all the fields in a delimited text file, and that's how those look in case you wanted to know. And that should do it for this video. We'll take this pretty slow for the rest of these. So, see you next time.